Now you can cook for real. For reals.
Got a pot that little rat will fit in.
Finally got a pot real food will fit in.
Teach that boy how to cook. Nice.
You can strain pasta.
Ooh, neat. You can do spaghetti on that.
Yeah, he knows what to do with those.
You put him in your kitchen?
Pretty neato.
No. Hey, big bowl.
Okay.
Mama,
Yeah, that's the way Grandpa does it.
What's in there?
where's Friday?
Uh-huh. It's empty. There's nothing in it. You gotta get some plastic food.
The basket's right there next to him.
Put some plastic food in your metal pan.
I
I don't know.
You're right, Ted.
don't know.
Oh, yeah. Cook a big orange. That's too big. Look at that. That looks delicious. Thank you.
You eat that. That's what, that's what he said.
Oh, did I make it look too exciting?
Nice. Cook those grapes.
There, hold on. Cool.
I need help get started.
There. Pull it.
What you got, buddy?
That's it.
Yeah, it's a pretty box.
It's for you. Oh, you're opening it. Oh, go see. Oh, yeah. Something else to throw.
Bowling
We're like,
pin.
ooh, something he could roll and knock down.
It might be old
Something
enough
else you
for
can
that,
hit
I
me
think.
with.
I think you're old enough for that. Tell us all about it, Reed Scissors.
Take the binky out of your mouth. Maybe we'll be able to understand what you're saying.
Tell me about it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's really sharp. Don't let him touch it.
Hold on, Mommy's gonna open
Mommy's
it.
gotta open it. She's almost done. Look.
Why did you give it to me and not let me open it?
Alright, here we go.
Now it's open.
Open. Unzip it.
And believe it or not, this was made in the USA. He's like, I don't know what they are, but they look like they make noise.
Person.
Yeah, set him out.
Very good.
Out.
Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Where's the ball?
Roll the ball.
Knock him over.
We gotta set them all up first.
Yes.
He is.
He's such a certain different way. I love it. Okay, roll the ball. Roll it.
Rolling is for wimps.
Real men just.
Why roll when you can just knock it?
Rolling is for when you're farther away.
It's like, I thought these were hand protectors. One day you can show them how to bowl.
More like boxing.
Those are little people. They're not.
Sounds like you said die.
Is he saying die?
I don't think so.
You said die. Thanks, guys. Charlie, say thank you.
He doesn't.
We'll get that down somewhere.
You're welcome, Charlie.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Birds
yeah.
have endless possibilities. They're very creative.
And it'll take a lot to damage them.
Those are the best kinds of toys.
Yeah. Fairly expensive.
Happy. Oh, what's up, buddy?
Happy birthday, Charlie. We
Happy
love
birthday.
You. Blow.
You wanna blow out the candle?
Let's blow. It's a lot.
Yeah.
Alright. One,
One,
2, 3.
Yay!
Alright, do you want to eat it? Okay, we'll clean off. This is a ring. We'll clean that off.
Look at that cupcake.
Give me a paper plate.
Nobody has a plate.
Here.
There's a napkin.
One napkin.
There you go.
Are you ready?
This is all you.
It's your birthday cupcake.
Oh.
There you
You
go.
can do anything you want with it.
Oh. What happened?
It fell over from
We get a fork.
icing.
Let your imagination
I was gonna,
wander.
I thought I could do this by showing him.
There we go.
Mommy
Good.
did one too.
You want to pick it up?
Who else wants one?
You're getting.
Charlie,
There you go, Charlie. You want it?
take a bite.
Both hands.
There you go, pick it up.
There you go.
Grab it.
Yeah. Pick it up.
Get it.
Go for
Oh,
Here, give
he
it this
doesn't
one.
like us all looking at him.
You want this one?
I think he's just tired.
It's a lot. Here, have a
My nephew, Connor, man, they gave him for his first birthday, she made him like this cake. I'm like, I'm used to most babies, you know, I've been to, they're kind of delicate with it for the most part. This child, hands all over the, I mean, he just went to town on this cake.
The classic, what everybody's hoping
Yes, what
for.
everybody is hoping for, that's what this child did.